Hi guys, this is BISHOYI and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you're watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, as our target is to clear civil services main examination, in today's video I am going to discuss many important questions related to science and technology. Science and technology, they are asking very important questions and we will discuss in today's video. So what is the first question of today's discussion? The first is, describe briefly the different forms of optical telecommunication. What is optical telecommunication? We have to know. Optical telecommunication is the communication at a distance using light to carry information instead of electrical current. It is the telecommunication system in which electricity is not being used but optical light is being used. And examples of what are the components of optical telecommunication: a modulator, a transmitter, a receiver, a light signal and a transparent channel. These are the things required for optical telecommunication system. Optical, and it also requires optical fiber. The optical fiber consisting of a core, a cladding and a buffer through which cladding guides the light. The cladding guides the light along the core using total internal reflection. Using total internal reflection, telecommunication is being done through this particular process is called as optical telecommunication system. Then the next question is, explain briefly the role of antenna in communication system. What is the role of antenna? We might have seen various antennas in many places. What is the role of it? Antenna play a very vital role in today's wireless telecommunication system, as the role of antenna is to convert a electronic signal into electromagnetic waves efficiently. What it does is converts electronic signals to electromagnetic waves. All other means antennas, they either transmit or receive the electromagnetic waves. As you might have seen in various parts of your town, city or even villages, wherever the antennas are being placed for telecommunication, be it Jio, Airtel, Vodafone or whatever, you might have seen it. Antennas are basic components of any electrical circuit, as they are providing interconnecting links between transmitter and free space and between free space and receiver. Means in the free space they transmit electromagnetic waves, and in the receiver also they from the free space they receive the signal and give it to your our phones. So this is the way how the antenna works in a telecommunication system. It's a connecting link. And now moving to the next question. Next question is, what is ISRO? What are its main objectives? You people might be aware about ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It's the space agency of Government of India, having headquarters at Bangalore. Its main objective is to harness space technology for national development and providing helping hand to government in resource identification, providing security, as even armed forces use the help of ISRO satellite in you might be aware about Bhuvan. Bhuvan is a indigenous form of GPS. Then telecommunication service, early warning for upcoming disasters, as many of the disasters like cyclone, tsunami and all this are helping, especially not against tsunami but cyclone warning, and weather is especially predicted through ISRO related satellites. and providing satellite-based navigation, as I have already discussed. As per the words of Sarabhai, it is to help socio-economic objectives of our nation. ISRO's main objective is to help our socio-economic progress of the nation. What do you mean by PSLV? What is its role in development of communication system? How PSLV is helping to develop our communication system? PSLV stands for Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. It's a launching vehicle through which satellites launch into space. It's developed to launch small size satellites into geostationary transfer orbit. It is to help satellite to reach up to geostationary transfer orbit. It helps to put communication satellites in their respective orbit, which help in developing communication system in India. What happens? It helps to reach up to a certain orbit in which the satellites do transmit, and that is up to LEO, especially low Earth orbit. What is up to low Earth orbit? It is about around 2000 kilometers away from our Earth, and it put the satellite into that particular orbit in which it rotates and gives the telecommunication services, and that is how the PSLV helps satellites which help in our telecommunication system. Now moving to the next question. Next question is, space technology is improving our lives and making the world a better place. Discuss briefly, giving examples. Space technology is improving our lives by giving us telecommunication, GPS based navigation, early warning, resource locating, internet service, disaster management, resource planning, and using existing resources more sustainably. Thus, space technology helping the world a better place. You can also give examples by saying that how the government of Odisha used the space technology data of evacuating more than 10 lakh people from cyclone Faidey and helped people save their lives. Unlike in 1999, where super cyclone took the life of more than 10,000 people. You can use this as an example how the disaster being contained by using space technology. The internet services that we use, with the help of the space technology. The telecom services we use, it's the help of space technology. The GPS navigation, if we are lost, even a ship is being getting direction from the space technology in the space, and they are directing all the people as well as the moving elements on the land. So I hope space technology you can write it. And next is, what is graphene? Discuss the potential application of graphene. Graphene is a very important material recently discovered, and you need to know each and every aspect of graphene. They may ask graphene, its uses, its application repeatedly. It's a very upcoming material. Graphene is a single thin layer of graphite struck carbon. It's a form of a carbon element in which atoms are arranged in a hexagonal arrangement. Atoms are arranged in a hexagonal arrangement. Then it is one of the strongest material ever discovered. One of the strongest. You can imagine, and more than 1,000 times stronger than steel. So in upcoming days, more and more people will use graphene. And what are its uses? Graphene is used in flexible electronics. Don't get surprised, after a decade or two, you will get mobile phones, the smartphones with graphene material. So graphene can be used in flexible electronics, solar cells for the electricity generation, that is can photovoltaics, that is electricity generation from using graphene technology. Semiconductors, the semiconductors we are using water filtration. Water filtration is also another use. Superconductivity, it's a used as a conductor also. Mosquito defense, and even materials used through graphene technology are very lasting. So graphene is an upcoming technology. Keep a sharp watch on it. Every time they might ask you either in the prelims as well as in the main examination and its application. And I hope you like my video. And sir and ma'am, if you are watching our video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe our channel and do give me a thumbs up. It is very moral boosting. Thank you very much.